There are a few ways to make very fine lines. I either use the Tjanting tool or I would use the nib that I get from Encausticos. There's other nibs that you can use, but you can use either, and I'll demonstrate how both of them work. So the Tjanting tool is not electric, so you're going to have to fuse it in. And so it's really quite simple. You just heat it up and then you draw your lines. Okay, so that's simple enough. I have a candle on hand to heat it up, you know, when it starts to warm up, and then I put it in a little container to let it just sit there. So that's the Tjanting tool. And so here you see I made a little mess. Of course, when I'm not doing this with you, I'm a lot less messier, and so we could just scrape that off. It's just a surface thing. But what I mean about, because it's not electric, this is just on the surface, and so it's not really burned in. I mean, you could probably leave it like that if you want to, but you know, when it's buffed, you know, after a while, is it really on there or is it going to come off? So I like to give it just a little lick, just to make sure that that's on. There we go. The other method is with the a finer tune that's electrical. So you can either, you know, use it in something like this, or you can use it in a puck. Either way is okay. And then you're going to go but now that's already burned in. So you can see the difference between the two. So one, you know, it's already in, it's burned in, but as you can see, it's not as clean or a fine line as a Tjanting tool. So that's something to consider.